Hello, welcome to JoJo's farm. Hope you all doing well. Thank you all for watching our videos. If today is your first time, please subscribe to this channel, share and hit the notification button so that when we share anything, you'll be the first to know. Thank you all for watching this channel. Today we're gonna give you updates. I know since our last video we haven't posted anything, so I took an opportunity today to let you know what is going on in the farm. Thank God there is progress. There is progress and everything is going on successfully. As you can see, they are enjoying their new homes. They've been enjoying food for a while. Everything is moving on successfully and there has been a lot of improvements. We are still looking forward to see if we can add some different breeds to it, but for now this is where we are, this is what we have, and this is what we are moving on with. But I think we are into 3 weeks of pregnancy state, and we are waiting patiently. We know that it's 3 months, 3 weeks, and 3 days, and gradually we are progressing. As you can see, the little ones are also improving and progressing. It hasn't been very stressful so far. Talking about the upkeeping, it's been under managed, and thank God for the farm manager. Everything is moving on well, everything is moving on successfully. Don't forget, your comments are so welcome, and your advice is well appreciated. We are hoping this is the beginning. This is a good way to go, I believe, and we are looking forward for a big progress. I have some things in mind that I would like to share with you, especially in our next video that I would really love to share with you. Purchasing a land, especially those that are in Greater Accra area in Ghana. I am going to share a video with you in the future. I am going to share a video, an experience that I had, and I'm going to share it with you in our next video. But today I just want you to see the update, the progress, and what is actually going on in the life of these pigs. So far they are enjoying their food, their feed. Where we bought them from, they were not getting feed this way, but thank God that now they've moved to a different environment, to a new environment, and they adjusted quickly, and this is their new home, and they are really happy. They are really moving, progressing, and everything is in good progress. So we thank you all, our viewers, we thank you all, our lovers, we thank you all, those who have been contributing and commenting on Without you guys, we wouldn't be where we are now. Your motivation and all the encouragement, we thank you. So this is it. The progress is on, and if there's any addition, we will let you all know. We thank you all for your concern. Don't forget to hit the notification button. If you haven't subscribed, please do so to subscribe, and share to others who might be in need. Thank you all, and have a blessed new month. Good night.